Luxury retailers were under pressure earlier this week when Burberry came out and cut their guidance. Do you think the sell-off in the sector was overdone, or is luxury kind of dead?
I don't think luxury is kind of dead. I think that luxury, if you have the right products, the consumers will come, right? If you look at, and that's actually for all retail, really. If you look at Urban and you look at Kors and you look at some of these other companies like Coach. Coach doesn't necessarily have the products now, but they're getting the products and they've got a new product cycle. So I think that they're going to play catch up. So I think Burberry had some issues with pricing in the United States. And again, it's also about products. So I think that it's a very company and stock specific situation right now.
As you mentioned, Coach, that's your retail play, your luxury retail play.
Right.
Now, they also got hit with a downgrade on valuation. So is this pullback we've seen in the last couple of days a buying opportunity?
We were hoping because it had run 10 points since we had started to look at the stock. So, at 60, it's hard to buy for us because we were looking at it at 52 to 55, and we were buying at about 55. So, if it were to pull back more significantly, we would definitely be looking to add to it. I do like the product cycle story, as I mentioned, that's coming out. The legacy line, I like the fact that they're focusing on the men's business. I still think there's a lot of opportunity for them in China. I know that's taboo these days, but I do think that there is a lot that they can do in taking share. As well as in Japan. That's a very big market for them, and they've done quite well, again, also taking market share. So I think the valuation still makes sense. I just prefer it just to pull back, and we might get it. It's been a good stock, and I wouldn't be surprised to see some profit taking.
Now, Ralph Lauren is one that you've owned in the past in the luxury retail market. Is it one you would get involved in? Again, it pulled back a little bit on this news, but...
The only reason that I would be a little more cautious on Ralph Lauren is because they have more exposure to Europe than Coach at this point. And it has not come back, not pulled back as much. But yes, I think they have the right products. And they too have a very interesting strategy for China as well in terms of growing in targeted markets, closing underperforming stores there and really building up where they think that they can gain market share. So I do like it. I just think you have to see it pull back a little bit more.
This market has fewer players.
We're coming into a Monday where we're
would enter in a new stage of tech.
It's a stock picker's market.
Welcome to the 5 dumbest things.
Apple reported earnings.